Greetings, greetings, greetings. We have one earthquake in Jamaica last night. That Thursday, September 21, 2023. And it made me think about what could have did happen if our house never did build upon strong foundation. So let me ask you something. Your life built upon strong foundation? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God to talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now at the best time, if you click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, if you make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 6 from verse 46 to verse 49. When make you call me Lord, Lord, and nah do when me a say. The one way come to me, hear what me say, and do what me say. Make me tell you something about him. Him come in like one man we build up one house. Him dig down deep in the ground so he coulda build the house on rock stone. The place flood out and river come down and beat against the house, but couldn't mash it up. Cause the house did build up strong. But the one we hear me word and no do when me say, him come in like somebody we build one house. We nah no foundation. The place flood out and the river come down and beat against the house. And it drop down and mash up. A God Word This. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.